Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to define your floor plan better now that we have more rooms. So what we're going to do, so let's zoom in on this side. So we have this corner room, we have this rectangular room. I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick offset. Let's do maybe like a 12-foot room. We're going to offset this edge down. All right, so now we have these three spaces. I'm going to add dimensions, right, to these spaces, right, center wall, right, annotate and aligned. You can, so see how it has, it's the, again, we talked about how aligned snaps to the center line. You can actually define the dimension, right? So say I wanted to dimension the inside of a room, right? So I do wall faces, and then I do click, it snaps to the inside edge. Now that's an inside dimension, right? Or you can do center line, right? It's called an on center dimension. Or you can do, right, faces and center core. I don't really use those too much, but stick with faces and center lines as your references. So I'll do center line again, and we'll get this down. So now remember, if I wanted to define these rooms, I can click on, right, this line, right? If I click here, it's going to change this width dimension. I could bump that out. I could bump all those out to 12 feet, right? And it keeps it in line. If I wanted to just do the rooms in the middle, I could just click on this line, type in my dimension, and let's make it smaller. Let's make it 10. All right, so it's going to push and pull, but there's your dimensions. So now if you wanted to, see how this is all one wall, and you wanted to maybe like bump one in, maybe this, you want to make this a bathroom, right? And you kind of want to bring some space, open up some space here. So what I would do is I would trim, right? Select your trim edge, click on what you want to keep, right? And then can't keep elements unjoined, just click unjoin elements. Sometimes you get errors that are meaningful, sometimes you don't. But so then I'm just going to redraw that. So now I need to get a wall back. So let's go to trim. So let me click on my wall. I want to modify. Remember, the mouse is not just for selecting, it's modifying. So I modify this wall. I want to offset this wall. I want to offset my bathroom by 6 feet. All right, there's two right there. And then I'm just going to go in, again, select the trim tool, trim edge, keep. I want to trim to here, keep that middle. All right, so that's how we could modify that. So I hope that's helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next video.